Hi kids. Hi everyone. Hello my little artist friends. How you all are doing? I hope you all are good. Yes everyone. So everybody is ready for today's art session? Yes kids? Yes, I can see all the excitement in your faces. It is really very great kids. And in today's session we are just going to learn something very interesting. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Well, no. Let me tell you what I'm going to teach you today. Today we are just going to learn how to make sea creatures. Okay, kids? We will be just making the aquatic sea creatures, the underwater scene using just with the help of our thumbprints. Okay, kids? Yes, kids? We will be just using our thumbprints in this art session. Okay, kids? So it will be a very easy art session, and I know everybody can make this painting. Yes, kids, I have specially made it so easy so that everybody can make it. So everybody is ready to make the beautiful sea creatures with me? Okay, kids. It is really very great. Thank you very much, kids. So I can see some of my little artist friends, they are still joining in. So let's wait for them. Okay. So what you all were doing, kids? You all were practicing art all these days? Okay. That's great. That's great. That is really very great, kids. So kids, please let me know your favorite cartoon characters or your favorite techniques, whatever you want to learn in the chat option. Okay, kids? And if you have any query related to art, please let me know. Okay? I will try my best to help you. Okay, kids? Yes, kids. So have you any of you have you seen the beautiful underwater? So kids, what are there under the water? There are so many kinds of creatures, right, kids? There are fishes, turtles, crabs, then there are snakes, there are beautiful sea corals, right, kids? So kids, we are just going to learn to draw all the different aquatic sea creatures. Okay, kids? Whatever we can see underwater, we will be just going to learn all these elements. Okay, with the help of our handprints. Okay, kids? So it will be very easy for you all. You don't need to draw anything with your pencil or eraser. Okay, kids? So just be ready to use your handprints for this session. So kids, are you all ready for the session? I can see most of my little artist friends, they have now joined in. So I think we are now ready for the session. Yes, kids? Okay, so everybody is there now. So let's start, kids. Let's start our session. So I am just shifting to the workstation, kids. Okay. So just see the art materials. What I am introducing you. Okay. Just see the art materials. Everything. Okay, kids. So kids, for this art session, you need a black sheet. Okay, kids. This is a black cartridge paper or a black ivory sheet. Okay, kids. You need some poster colors. You need a palette, a water container and a paintbrush, some tissue paper, and that's it, kids. This is what you need, okay, for this art session. So let's start our session. So first of all, kids, we need to make the land of our sea. Okay, kids. So for that, I will be just taking my brown and white shade. Okay. help of my brown and white shade, I will be making my pebbles, okay? So first I am taking some white into my palette, okay? And then I am taking some brown, okay? So I will be just mixing these two colors and I will be getting light brown, okay? So you see kids, I am just getting this light brown shade, okay? And in this I will be just mixing little bit of yellow, okay? My lemon yellow, I will be mixing it, okay? And kids, I am mixing it on the sheet, but you need to mix it somewhere somewhere near your sheet, okay? Otherwise you will just drop some paints on your paper. So please be careful. So this is a color I am making for my pebbles, okay? And now I will be just making some color for my leaves, okay? Because we can always see there are so many kinds of leaves, right? In the under the underwater there are so many kinds of plants, right kids? So I am just taking some yellow and some green, some yellow and some green to make my light green, okay? So see kids, we are getting this beautiful light green shade. So as you can see kids, I am now making my light green shade. And under the sea we can also see very beautiful sea corals, right kids? Yeah, so we will be also making some sea corals with the help of our handprints, okay? To make the corals I am taking little bit of orange into my sheet. Okay, so now I will be just starting to paint, then we will be making the other colors later, okay? So kids, I am keeping my palettes at the side. First of all, I will be making the pebbles, okay? So to make the pebbles, I'm taking my finger, okay? Just like this you need to print, okay? Like this, okay? These are my pebbles. So now we are making our pebbles for our fishes. As you can see, kids, I am getting some nice motifs out of my handprints, out of my thumbprints. First of all, we just need to make this layer with the help of our thumb, okay? I hope everybody is painting with me. Everybody is printing these pebbles with me. Okay, kids, this is how you need to print your pebbles. Okay, kids? Isn't it fun, right, kids? And it looks so great, right, kids? So my pebble layer is completed, kids. As you can see, I finished making my pebbles, okay? Now I will be making my sea corals, okay, kids? Take your index finger and start making your sea corals, okay? Like this, okay? These are my sea corals, okay? I'm also adding some these are some more leaves and corals, okay? These are just some sea aquatic plants which I am making now. Okay. Like this you need to make. Okay. Please rub your hands well after using one shade. Please rub your hands well. Okay, kids. Now I will be just making some fishes. Okay. This is how you need to make some fishes. Okay, kids. I'm taking my white paint and taking my yellow paint, and I will be making the tail of my fishes. Okay. Take your brushes, and like this you will be making the tail. Okay. Okay. Like this. Like this you will be making your fish tail. Okay. Okay, easy for everyone. You can also put some dots inside your fishes if you want. Let's put some dots on their body. Okay. And then take your black paint. Okay. And with the help of your black paint you can make the eyes of your fishes. Okay. Small little eyes. For my fishes. Okay. So you see, kids, my fishes are ready now. Now I will be just taking little bit of white. Okay. Once again, just see how I am making the pink shade, kids. I am taking my white. Okay. And I am just taking little bit of red and mixing it. Okay. You see, now I am getting a beautiful pink. So this is how you need to mix your paints to get a pink. Okay, kids. So just mix white and carmine. Okay. Now I will be making some jellyfish. Okay kids, I will be making some jellyfishes with the help of my pink shade. Okay, so here I am making some jellyfish. These are my prints for my jellyfish. Okay, now I will be just making some tentacles with the help of zigzag lines. Okay, just make some tentacles with the help of your brushes. Okay kids, please mix the colors well kids, because it is very important to mix the colors well, otherwise like you will not get beautiful shades. So a bunch of jellyfishes are floating here. Okay, with their friends. I'm taking some white and I'm also putting little bit of print with my white. Okay, inside the jellyfishes, so that it gives us a little bit of feeling of jelly inside it. So I'm just putting little bit of white inside the pink. Okay, so these are my jellyfishes. Okay, now any guesses which sea creature I will be making kids? Any guesses which sea creature I will be making? Now I will be making the crab. Yes kids. So once again I am taking my red shade. Okay, and my index finger. Okay, like this we will be making the crabs. Okay, I'm making 2 crabs here. Okay, like this. First of all, make a center print with your thumb, and then with the help of your index finger make these dots. Okay, now I will be making the legs of my Mr. Crab. Okay, like this. Okay, we'll be making some small eyes, putting small little white dots to make his eyes, and then I will be putting little bit of black spot inside his eyes. Okay, so these are my crabs. Okay kids, so now I will be just making another sea creature. Okay, any guesses now which sea creature I will be making? Now I will be making a sea turtle. Okay, you all remember we made once a turtle using the resist wax technique? Yes kids, so now we will be making a turtle with the help of our thumbprints. Okay, so I will be making a big like this you need to make first. Okay, and then I will be making the limbs of my sea turtle. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, just one stroke, that's it, just one stroke. That's the eyes of my turtle. Okay, you can also make some crisscross lines on the back of your turtle shell. Okay kids, please let it dry first. Okay, then make those strokes which you want. Okay, I am taking a little bit of blue. Taking a little bit of yellow in my palette, okay? I will be making some more fishes, okay kids? So now I will be just printing some more fishes, okay? Like this, okay kids? And then after printing once again, we will be just making the tails of our fishes, okay? Like this. And you can also add little bit of red inside this if you want, okay? And then you will be making some eyes for your fishes, okay? We can also add some fins to our fishes. Just one stroke for our fins. So there are some more fishes in our fish tank, okay? Now I will be just making some bubbles. Okay, just mix blue and mix your blue shade and your white shade. Okay, and then you can just get some bubbles. Okay, you can get your sky blue shade. Okay, so as you can see kids, now I'm just making the bubbles using my index finger. Okay, like this you need to fill the whole space with your bubbles. Okay, this is my starfish. I'm making 2 more turtles swimming under the ocean. So you can see kids, now we are having so many elements, right? In our under the sea there are so many elements, right kids? So kids, please try to make all the elements. Okay, whatever I have taught you, you can just make this painting also in an A4 size paper. Okay kids, so I have just showed you here all the elements, how to make different kinds of elements. Okay, so it is really a fun process and you all will enjoy making this kids. Everybody can make these beautiful whole and sea creatures. So everybody please finish the painting, kids. Everybody please finish it. So kids, I hope everybody has enjoyed learning these fun fishes, and everybody will make the fishes. Everybody, yes kids? So kids, everybody please finish the artwork well, okay kids? Everybody please finish it properly. I want each one of you to make very beautiful fishes, okay kids? So kids, please let me know how was today's session. Please let me know in the comment section, kids. I hope everybody has enjoyed this painting and everybody will make this painting, right kids? Okay kids, thank you so much kids. Like whenever you are making a painting, that is actually the success for me, because like whenever I see your beautiful paintings, I really feel very happy kids. So everybody please make this artwork very well, okay? And please try to keep it as neat as possible, okay kids? Like wash your hands again and again, or rub it with the tissue papers whenever you are trying to use any other shade, okay kids? So I hope everybody will, this exercise will help everyone to learn making the sea creatures. Yes kids? Okay. So I am very happy to paint with you all once again kids, and I will be just waiting for your artworks in the yellow class portal, okay kids? So kids, like please mix the colors well, okay? Please try to keep it as light as possible. And kids, like even if you want to make this painting on a white paper, that also you can do, okay kids? You can also take a white or a blue paper, okay? It is up to you, okay? So just choose your shades well, and I will be just waiting for your artworks, okay kids? So if you have any doubts and queries, please let me know in the comment section kids, okay? I will try to help you as much as possible. And please practice each and every sea creature well, okay? And you can also do this exercise in a A4 size paper, okay kids? So I will be just meeting you all next time with a very fun session, okay kids? I hope you all have learned a lot today, and you will be using this method to use very beautiful sea elements, okay kids? So I will be meeting you next time then. Bye everyone. Bye. See you.